Now today's video is a very interesting one, and I have something interesting for you all. Today we'll be discussing on how to create YouTube videos instantly using AI, right? And please note that I drop videos weekly, and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Today's video is about creating YouTube videos instantly using AI, creating YouTube animated videos using AI. And tell you, this software it's a brand new software that creates animated videos from text. All you have to do is supply the text. You don't, and I'll show you how to get I'll show you how to get YouTube script, for free, right? 5,000 word script for free. I'll show you how to get using AI as well. So many amazing things we can do with AI. Right, the features of this new software is it's a brand new software. It understands the context of your videos. That's very important, right? It's not just about mumbling up different characters, right? It has to understand the context of what you're trying to achieve or the type of video you're trying to make. It creates the music for you, creates the voiceover, it adds the characters, and it adds the text, and all in a few minutes. And most of all these features are free, right? Link to the software is below. Now, before we get started, make sure you are subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon, and make sure you comment on whatever ideas you have, whatever suggestions you want me to discuss, whatever ideas you want a video on. Just comment that below. Whatever you do, in fact, just give me your opinion about my channel and what you want me to do. Comment something below and hit the like button if you like videos like this. Remember to subscribe. Alright, before I do, let's get started. The software we'll be talking about today is steve.ai. Right, it's called steve.ai here. It's very free. You sign up for free or you log in, right? So I'll just log in using my email. Awesome. So now we're logged in, right? And we'll be choosing. So it has script to live video, it has blog to live video, and it has voice to live video, right? This is coming soon. For now, we want script to live video, right? So I'll be showing you how you can get your script for free. You don't have to worry about that. And this is an auto generate script. No, we don't want this. We want to generate our own script. So it says it starts with scene 1, sorry. It starts with the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. The same way every script goes, right? Now you might be asking me, how do I generate or how do I write my script? I don't want to pay anybody to write my script for me. I want to write my scripts by myself. Alright, so we go to Rytr.me. Rytr.me. Right. So let me log out of here so we can start afresh. So Rytr app, right? It's very simple. So Rytr doesn't have a section for YouTube scripts at the moment, right? But so we'll select blog section, right? So let's say the topic. Just think of a topic you want to write about. Think of let's say, what topic should we write about? Let's write about, off the top of my head, how to get a job, right? How to get a job. So keyword, let's get a job with no degree, right? Creativity level optimal, variant 1, right? So write for me. Just give it a moment. Good, here you go. So here's your first script. Right, it says, in order to get a job, you have to have the right qualifications. But in this day and age, some people don't have the time or money to go back to school for an advanced degree. That's an excellent introduction to your video. Right, so imagine you're watching a video that goes, in order to get a job, you have to write the right qualification. But in this day and age, some people don't have the time and money to go back to school. There are so many ways for those without a degree to get a job. So you can see the topic of our video is how to get a job with no degree, right? And with this sample, so you can see how this sounds very human-like. So Rytr is super useful. It sounds very human-like. You get, right? So all you have to do now is copy all of this and take it to steve.ai, paste. Boom, that's it. In order to get a job, you need to have the right qualifications. By this day and age, there are many ways for those who die. Some may find it easier than other, but there are jobs out there for everyone. One way is by networking. This is important. You can see. Good. So type of video. We are going to choose. We're going to choose animation video. What's your video about? Job. We can choose music, add voiceover, auto highlight. Next, source. Okay. Next. So here we choose our design style, right? So two things about steve.ai, right? You can decide to have an animated video, or you can decide to have a live video, right? So for a live video, it's just going to use stock footage and text, right? So you might decide you want to use this instead of an animated video, right? But for this, this video is about animated video, so let's go back to choosing our animated video, animation video. Next. So what style do we want? This looks like, yeah, let's go with this lady over here. It's loading, doesn't take much time. So all you need is just an internet connection, right? And a computer. That's all. You can have your whole channel built up on this. All right, so let's listen to scene 1. See what I like about it? Right. Next. But in this day and age, some people don't have, see how relevant the animation is to the text that's going on. Like, it's amazing. There are many ways to just get without a job. Like, I can see videos like this going viral on YouTube. I can see videos like this making you good money on ads with sponsorship, right? Like, it's amazing. It's amazing what AI can achieve right now. It's amazing. Okay, so scene 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it, right? Publish. Good. Then you can download your video, untitled video, full HD. Okay, so you see this way you have to pay to get it full HD, right? Or you just go with 720p. And your video is rendering. So while video renders, right, you want to use a voiceover, and one of my favorite voiceover tools are, I prefer to use voicemaker.in. Right, so let me let's paste our text here. So the issue with voicemaker.in, the free version is you're limited to 250 characters. If you want more characters, you have to get the full version, right? But for just this 250, so let's listen to what this sounds like. So neural, always choose neural if you're going to use voiceover. Choose neural. Voice speed, you want it a bit, yeah, like going like 10% faster. And let's use Alexander. Voice effects, conversational, or better, okay, let's use hopeful sounds nice. Voice settings, yeah, I prefer a high sample rates and wave. Then convert to speech. Ask me to log in. So wave this voice setting. Good. Alexander. Alright, good. Convert to speech.
But in this day and age, some people don't have the time or money to go back to school for an advanced degree.
Damn, this sounds much better than... sounds like really good.
In order to get a job, you have to have the right qualifications. But in this day and age, some people don't have the time or money to go back to school for an advanced degree.
Good. So you download this. That's your speech. Go to... There's an online tool. So everything we're doing today is all done online, right? So it doesn't matter what kind of power your computer has. Like most modern computers, even without it doesn't matter if your computer has a graphics card or not. Most computers right now will be able to do everything we're doing here today, all online. So we go to Clipchamp. This is an online video editing software, right? Still for free, all for free. So there's no excuse why you cannot grow a channel right now using all these tools that are available to you, right? It's just dedication and some time, and I tell you, just give it a try. All right, give it a try. So let's create a video, check if our video is done rendering. Okay, it's still rendering. So once this is done rendering, you upload your video here, like drop your file, drop the video here, drop your text here as well, render your video, then boom, off to YouTube. You upload your video and you make more and build an audience in that field, right? I hope this short, straight to the point tutorial has been helpful to you. If you want more shorts, straight to the point tutorials like this, please hit the subscribe button and like this channel, like this video. I'm thinking of giving a giveaway. I'll be selecting one of my commenters, someone that has commented on my video, liked my video and subscribed to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway to that special person. So if you want to be that special person, go ahead and do these three things: like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment on anything you want. Just comment anything you want. If I just ask me how I am, right? Thank you guys for today. See you guys next time. Bye.